Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make tuna water. First, gather your ingredients and tools. You'll need 1 can of tuna, specifically packed in water, not oil. Also, grab a fine mesh strainer and a clean bowl. These simple items are all you need to get started on this easy guide to creating a tasty treat for your pet. Now, let's get to draining. Open your can of tuna carefully. Place your fine mesh strainer directly over the clean bowl you prepared. Then, pour the entire contents of the tuna can, including the water and the solid tuna, into the strainer. This step separates the liquid from the fish. To maximize your tuna water, gently press down on the solid tuna in the strainer. This helps to release any remaining liquid. Make sure all the water drains completely into your bowl. Once you've collected all the liquid, you can either discard the solid tuna or save it for another recipe. Your tuna water is now ready. For serving, it's best to offer it at room temperature. If you have any leftover, simply pour it into an airtight container and store it in the refrigerator. For optimal freshness and safety, make sure to use any stored tuna water within 24 hours. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.